That's going to vary a lot from place to place depending on the kind of finish you're looking to get. We usually tell people that when the media wears down to about half its original size is when it's time to replace it. In some cases, like in your shop, you may not need to do that. Some people will just wear it down until it ends up going through the drain and they'll just keep adding stuff on top. But mass finishing is one of the really big benefits of mass finishing is you are getting a lot of consistency from part to part in each batch and from batch to batch.
Okay.
So it really is a very consistent process, especially when compared to hand finishing. You know, so I'm sure that when your guys are doing these blocks, each face looks a little bit different, each part looks a little bit different. May or may not be an issue as far as the aesthetics are concerned. You know, in your case, it's probably more about a labor thing than it would be about the look of it. But in some cases, people go to mass finishing from hand finishing, and they are incredibly happy with the fact that they're getting consistent finish from batch to batch.